In the event that any of the parameters studied in the semenogram are abnormal, some of the possible alterations that could be present are the following: azoospermia, absence of spermatozoa in the ejaculate; oligospermia, low concentration of spermatozoa; asthenozoospermia, problems with the mobility of the spermatozoa; teratozospermia, low percentage of spermatozoa with normal morphology; necrospermia, a large number of dead spermatozoa; hypospermia, low seminal volume. There may also be combined alterations such as oligoasthenoteratozospermia. Based on the affected seminal parameters and their severity, a man might face varying levels of difficulty in achieving natural conception with his partner. Nonetheless, if these challenges occur, assisted reproductive technologies may assist in achieving pregnancy.